And welcome back. The Reggae Boys are currently trailing Canada 2-0 at the BMO Stadium, where they are taking on the host country in a friendly international. The Jamaicans are currently 2-0 down, and we have the goals for you.
To Kamari Lawrence on a goal that was in the CONCACAF Gold Cup semi-final. Oh, the ball is given away. Hutchinson, here is an opportunity for 1-0. The Canadians are in front. It was a terrible defensive error, and Anthony Hamill-Jackson gets his third goal for Canada, the first on the night. Red and white lead black, green and gold by a goal to nil. Looks like Osorio gets it back inside, opportunity for 2-0. Canada further clear of the Reggae Boys. It's Osorio who clinically puts away the second. Jonathan Osorio. It's only his second goal in the red and white of Canada. The flags are waving now. Canada lead by 2-0.
Meanwhile, Mexico became the first team from CONCACAF to secure a spot at the 2018 World Cup following their 1-0 win over Panama on Friday. The Mexicans are on 17 points and cannot be surpassed by any three teams. Costa Rica with 14 points are a win away from beating they ambushed the USA 2-0 at the Red Bull Stadium and are close to qualifying. Now, Caribbean hopefuls Trinidad and Tobago are left on the brink of elimination as they were beaten 2-1 by Honduras at home. The Soca Warriors are rooted at the foot of the table on 3 points with 3 rounds of matches to go.